Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super cute gummy bear choker. Without further ado, let's just get right into what you will need to actually make this. A lobster clasp or some other necklace fastening, jump rings, gummy bear charms or whatever charms you'd like to use, jewelry pliers, and chain. The first thing you're going to do is attach your lobster clasp or whatever type of clasp you're going to use to the ends of your necklace. And then after that, you're just going to want to open up your jump rings and then put the gummy bears on there and put it on whichever chain link you want to, and then close up that jump ring. And then as you can see, I'm just counting how many jump rings I want in between each bear. In the end, I decided that I think I did like 5 links in between each bear. In the end, I decided that 5 just was not enough because all of the bears were just clustered together too much. So in the end, I spread them out so that they were like 10 links apart. And then you just want to repeat this process until you have all of your gummy bears or whatever other charms you're gonna put on there. After you have all those on there, you will be done. So this is a super quick, simple, easy necklace to make. So that is awesome because it is so cute.